Welcome to our explainer video on the Theia impact theory, which suggests that a Mars-sized object called Theia collided with Earth around 4.5 billion years ago, leading to the formation of the Moon. In this video, we'll explore the origins of Theia, the collision event, the formation of the Moon, and the evidence supporting this theory. Theia was a Mars-sized planetary object that formed in the early solar system. It had a distinct core, mantle, and crust, making it a significant body in the early solar system. Around 4.5 billion years ago, Theia collided with Earth, releasing enormous energy and causing massive destruction and deformation. This event was pivotal in the formation of the Moon. The collision created a massive debris disk around Earth. Over time, this debris coalesced to form the Moon through a process called accretion. Several lines of evidence support the Theia impact theory, including isotopic similarities between Earth and Moon rocks, the large size of the Moon, compositional similarities, and computer simulations. In summary, the Theia impact theory provides a compelling explanation for the formation of the Moon. The collision between Theia and Earth created a debris disk that eventually formed the Moon, supported by various lines of scientific evidence.